Hey everyone! The Huawei Band 11 and the Huawei Band 10 represent two closely related generations in Huawei's fitness band lineup, both designed to deliver strong health tracking, long battery life, and a lightweight form factor at an affordable price. While the Band 10 refined the formula with premium materials and advanced sleep analytics, the Band 11 builds on that foundation with a larger and brighter display, updated connectivity, and subtle design improvements. The differences are evolutionary rather than revolutionary, but they meaningfully shape the overall user experience. Both bands maintain a slim profile, ensuring comfort throughout the day and night. The Band 10 stands out for introducing a CNC-milled aluminum alloy case with a diamond-cut finish, giving it a polished appearance uncommon in the fitness band category. The Band 11 continues with polymer and aluminum alloy options, slightly increasing weight to around 16 to 17 grams for the standard version. The Pro variant uses CNC machined aluminum and reaches approximately 18 grams. Despite the minor weight increase, the Band 11 remains extremely comfortable. Both generations use skin-friendly fluoroelastomer straps designed to resist sweat, soap, and chemical irritation, making them suitable for continuous wear. The display is where the Band 11 makes its most noticeable improvement. The Band 10 features a 1.47-inch panel with a resolution of 194 by 368 pixels. It is vibrant and sharp for its size, offering smooth animations and strong contrast. However, the Band 11 upgrades to a 1.62-inch display with a higher resolution of 286 by 482 pixels. This represents a significant increase in both size and clarity, making notifications, workout metrics, and health graphs easier to read at a glance. Brightness is another key advantage. The standard Band 11 reaches up to 1,500 nits, dramatically improving outdoor visibility under strong sunlight, while the Pro model goes even higher. Health tracking is a strong area for both devices. The Band 10 integrates Huawei's TrueScene 5.5 heart rate module and TrueSleep 4.0 technology, offering continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, stress monitoring, and HRV-based sleep analysis. It also includes sleep apnea risk screening and pulse wave arrhythmia alerts, features typically found in more expensive wearables. The Band 11 retains and refines these capabilities. It continues to offer continuous heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, stress tracking, HRV insights, sleep breathing awareness, and pulse wave arrhythmia analysis. Sleep tracking remains a highlight, with reliable wake detection and clear graphical summaries in the companion app. Fitness tracking is comprehensive on both models, with more than 100 workout modes supported. The main distinction lies in GNSS support. The standard Band 11, like the Band 10, relies on a connected smartphone for GPS data. However, the Band 11 Pro introduces built-in satellite positioning, enabling independent route tracking for running and cycling. In practical use, both bands provide dependable heart rate data for steady-state cardio activities, though wrist-based sensors may show slight delays during sudden intensity spikes. Battery life remains one of Huawei's strongest advantages across both generations. The Band 10 is equipped with a 180 mAh battery rated for up to 14 days under light usage, approximately 8 days under typical usage, and around 3 days with always-on display enabled. The Band 11 maintains similar endurance figures, offering up to 14 days under light conditions and around 8 days with regular usage. Even with its larger and brighter display, efficiency remains strong. The Huawei Band 10 remains a well-balanced and mature fitness tracker that successfully blends premium design, advanced health tracking, and long battery life in an ultralight body. It delivers features that were once reserved for higher-end devices while keeping the experience simple and accessible. The Huawei Band 11 builds on that foundation with a noticeably larger and brighter display, updated connectivity, and subtle refinements in materials and software experience. While the improvements are not dramatic in terms of core health metrics, the enhanced screen alone significantly improves usability, especially outdoors. For users upgrading from older bands or entering the ecosystem for the first time, the Band 11 offers a more modern experience. However, for current Band 10 users, the upgrade may feel incremental, unless the larger display and improved brightness are particularly important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and see you soon.